Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're filming outside, which is something I have never really done, I don't think. I'm a little self-conscious because number one, you're probably going to be able to hear the wind. Sorry, I gotta shut that. And two, people are probably listening to me down below. So this video might be a little bit noisier than usual, but I just wanted to be outside this evening. In LA, randomly, it's literally almost June and we've had a rainy, cloudy May. And I know it's like May gray and June gloom, but like it is still so chilly here. But yes, I am sitting in my garden currently and I am going to be doing a garden update very soon. I kind of just wanted to sort some things out before I did that video, which included today's haul. And I'm also going to be doing like an indoor plant tour because I'm learning a lot and I want to share my wisdom. And you guys asked for more plant stuff, so I'm kind of just rolling with it and giving you an entire plant haul. So yeah, most of these are indoor plants, but I did get, I think, just one outdoor plant. I went to Home Depot. I love the garden centers at Lowe's and Home Depot, so don't look past those. In fact, the herbs that I bought one are the only herbs I'll buy from now on because I haven't had luck with any other ones. But then I also went to Armstrong, which is a nursery in Glendale. I think they have like a bunch. I know they have them in like Whittier, where Bradley's from, but I love that nursery. It's always such a fun time. They have the classical music on and it's just beautiful. So without further ado, let's just get into the plant haul. Hopefully this whole footage isn't scrapped because you can't hear me. I guess we'll start with my one outside plant. I got a mint plant. This is the Bonnie plants. These are the only herbs I will buy from now on. My basil I bought from the Armstrong Garden Center, which is not Bonnie, and I am not having any luck with it. I've had plenty of luck with my Bonnie's basil in the past, so I don't know. I mean, it's not dead, but it is not thriving, so I think I'm gonna switch that out. But I did get a mint plant if you've been following the Radish Chronicles on my Instagram stories, which it will all be in my garden update as well. It was in that pot right there, but I think that was too small, so I actually bought this pot for it, which I like this color. And somebody suggested that square pots do better for radishes. I don't know that it totally matters. I watched a bunch of videos and it didn't seem to matter the size or the shape, but I was hoping maybe if I plant in a bigger pot I will get more radishes because I only got one even though I planted a few. So I think I'm going to do that right after this video, plant up my radish seeds because it is supposed to rain tomorrow. But so now I have that orange pot open and I've missed having mint because my last mint plant died. So yeah, and this is really fragrant. It smells so good, and I just like this for cooking because mint is not something that I would usually buy, but if it's out in the garden I can just clip some, use it in my recipes, and yeah, so mint. Then the rest are houseplants. So this first one I thought is really cool. It's only labeled as foliage, which I always find kind of frustrating because I can't look up the plant and like see how to take care of it. But how cool is this? It has this like really like thick trunk and these kind of just wild leaves that are pink on the edges, and I thought this was so cool, and I wanted something tall to fit in my little vagina butt thing, so I think that this will look frickin' cool. I got this at Urban Outfitters. It was on back order for a very long time. I just got it in the mail. 16 bucks. If they still have it, I'll link it down below, but I just thought it was really cute. I don't know, I'm into the nude, but when they're like not labeled as a plant that I can Google, I kind of just try and pay attention to where it's at in the garden center, and this was in like the shade, in not even the shade, it was inside with the other house plants that don't really require any light at all. So yeah, I picked that up. I'm kind of peeved because I have a pot in extra loud outside. I'm kind of peeved because I have a pot in the bedroom that you may have seen in my Target haul. I will link my Target haul up in the corner. It was that ombre kind of blush and white pot that is in the sun, and I need something to put in it, and I totally forgot about it while I was shopping for plants. And that was like the main reason I went out to shop for plants. So I guess I'll be heading back to the plant shop, which is not a bad thing. The plant shop stresses me out. There's too many choices and I'm always, I don't know, it feels like such a commitment. But on the flip side, plants bring me so much freaking joy. So I don't know why the plant shop makes me feel that way. But I'll be returning. I think I might get lavender because lavender likes full sun and that is full sun. So I don't know. But anyway, I also had this pot I wanted to fill, which I've had this in the background of a couple videos. I got this on super sale on Anthropology.com. It's not available anymore, I'm so sorry, but I literally got it for like $3 and I love it. So I picked up this little guy. This is called the Fittonia Nerve Plant. And it just is really pretty, kind of unique. The leaves feel kind of weird. It kind of reminds me of like sage texture, if that makes sense. Not quite as fuzzy, but yeah, I just thought that the bright green would look really pretty coming out of the orange and white. So yeah, I picked that up for in there. So I bought some more air plants because I So I bought some more air plants because I have discovered Garden Answer here on YouTube, and I am literally obsessed with her. She lives, I believe, in Oregon and has like 5 acres of land. I think I made up that number. She has a really big yard. Her parents own a garden center, so she's very like well versed in plants and everything. She's very informative, and I watched her video on air plants and I realized that I was taking care of my air plants completely wrong, and no wonder they were dying. So I only have one air plant left. Luckily it's my favorite one. It's the bright pink one, but I wanted to pick up some more because there's also these like cool wall like pots that I want to buy that I don't want to plant something real, or not real, but like with full soil in, so an air plant to pop in there would be really cool. I only bought 3 for now, but they had a lot of cool air plants at Armstrong today, starting with this one. This is so cool. This was the most expensive one. No, I lied. This is not the most expensive one. This is called the Caput Medusa? This reminded me of Maleficent. This is bad freaking ass. It is green and dark purple, and you guys know I love purple. And I just saw this and I gasped and I was like, that is mine, coming home with me. Love this. And I should have said, when you water air plants, you're supposed to put them upside down in the water and not get the root wet at all, because it will give you root rot, which I didn't listen to that at all. So you put it in the water face down and you dry it face down. So I'm hoping to get better care of my air plants, because I also learned that they bloom. They only bloom once in their lifetime, but it's a spectacular like looking flower, and so I'm really excited. And air plants are pretty easy if you remember to water them. So yeah, and she suggested watering them I think once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks. Then I got this one. This one was the most expensive. This is the Pollyanna Purple. This was 10 bucks, which like is kind of a lot for a tiny ass little plant, but I don't care because it's purple on the ends. How freaking cool is that? I am obsessed. So I bought this to replace the one that's kind of in our bathroom by our shower in that like hanging cement pot, because that one is totally dead. I haven't thrown it away yet. It's still in there, but it is dead. But yeah, how freaking cool is that? I love it. And then the last one was just a little cheapy guy. This is just called the Telandicia Small. And it's just like a normal air plant. I just thought it looked cute. You kind of have like the generic air plants that you see over and over. I had never seen any purple ones, so I was excited about those. But I do love a classic air plant as well. And that's it for like the smaller plants. I did get 2 kind of like larger plants. I got a hanging plant. I do have another one that's kind of smaller, but I want some hanging plants. I've run out of room on desks and countertops, so now it's time to start suspending them from the air, or the ceiling, not the air. So I got this guy, which already has like a little side one going down, which I thought was exciting. This is called Elite HG Pothos Epiprinum. Epiprinum. I don't freaking know. But it's just this cool green color, and I love when the light green is showing through the darker green. And yeah, so I want to get some like macrame or something to hang this. I think I want to put this one in the den or maybe the corner of the bedroom. I just thought it was really pretty, and kind of, it was 10 bucks, so I thought that was a good price. And speaking of a good price, I found this variation of a snake plant for 15 bucks, which I haven't seen any of them lower than 30 around where I live, so I was like, this is in great shape. I love this. I have 2 snake plants. Now I have 3, but they're all of like different variations, so I'm excited to like not have 2 of the same. This one is just like a different color than my other one, I think anyway, but it's just got like the cool dark green with the lighter green on the outside. It's a bit smaller than my air plant that I have by the fireplace. Bradley and I are both obsessed with the air. Do I keep saying air plant? I mean snake plant. Bradley and I are both obsessed with our snake plant, so we kind of want one for like every room, so I delivered on that today, babe. You're welcome. But yeah, there's my little snake plant. And that is it, guys. I just wanted to do a quick little show and tell of the plant babes I picked up today. Like I said, I'll be going back because I freaking forgot the plant in the bedroom. But that's okay. I think I'm gonna plant up my radishes now, which I'll film for the garden update. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more gardening videos, I don't think I have very many, but I will make a playlist and link it up in the corner because more gardening videos will be coming soon. So you can click that to watch more. I'll have some more videos down here you can click. But yeah, I will see you guys very soon in a new video. I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.